Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my Alice in Wonderland eyeshadow palettes. This is the 01 eyeshadow palette that has red theme. Look at the color combo. From the packaging to the shades to the engravings on it, it's so pretty. This is the 02 blue palette and you can see it has 2D engravings over it. I've never seen anyone make such beautiful palettes. Look how shiny this is. This is the 03 palette that has pastel pink and nude theme. Wow, so pretty. I also got their champagne highlighter, and look how cute this Cupid is. Shiny. The color shades, the packaging, the Disney theme, British Museum theme, everything is so pretty about Zeesea. And if you guys really want me to show you guys the swatches or any makeup look, let me know in the comment section below and I will do a video on it. Okay, bye bye.